3.7. Let's speak. A. Listen, repeat and enact. John, I found a pencil. Isha, is it yours? Isha, no, it's not mine. John, Amit, is this pencil yours? Amit, no, it's not mine. John, Sonu, is this pencil yours? Sonu, yes, it's mine. Thank you, John. Anand, excuse me, is this ruler yours? Bittu, yes, it is. Thank you very much. Where did you find it? Anand, under the bench. Shilpa, excuse me, Ashu. Have you lost your eraser? Ashu, yes, I have. Shilpa, is this yours? Ashu, yes, it's mine. Thank you, Shilpa. Sheldon, oh, I forgot my pen at home. Can you please lend me a pen, Sanika? Sanika, oh, yes, here it is. Sheldon, thank you.